broke, no lie. Truth is, I'm lost but fine. Truth is, I'm a mess, just trying to get by. But I still got fight. But I still got bite. It's about to be my time. I'm gonna be that chick. Who I want. Freaking the bad like I'm Crystal. Freaking the mood like an idol.
I forgot, I gotta heat up this little curling thingy. Be right back.
Wanna be that chick.
I'm going to try to curl my hair. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate this nice little curling hair. I forgot what it's called. And had it for several years, hardly used it, but it curls your hair, wraps your hair up in there, and curls it. And I've washed my hair, and this is like, I think December was the last time my daughter did my hair, and I could use a new highlight and a trim. It looks pretty. I notice it looks pretty ragged. So we're doing a little beautification project. Since I'm starting to do videos and stuff, I'm realizing that I need a lot of help. You know, the really good videos are by good-looking, young, beautiful women, and I've kind of passed that age. Believe me, I've been trying really hard to get back on a keto diet because I've just got to lose some weight. And keto's really been the only way I've ever really lost weight. And the last time I really went all out was right before we moved here. And what was it, 2017 or so? We were getting ready to move and packing. And lots of activity, lots of things to keep my mind from. Well, it would help if you turn on the curling iron. Let's see, let's put it on high because I have very straight hair, and I'm going to put it on the 12-second thing. Caution hot, so you always have to be careful of that. Let's see, what else does it say on this?
Are you talking to?
I'm talking to the people that are watching my beautification process here. Yeah.
Doing Mary's makeup?
Yeah, doing Mary's makeup. So anyway, well, let's see if we can find some more split ends. It would be lovely to go to a hairdresser and have them. Yeah. Problem is, I don't trust anybody with my hair except my daughter. And she hasn't been up. Oh yeah, she has the greatest friend, Tammy Shannon, who does hair in Portland here at Gresham area. I would highly recommend her. And she does a beautiful job on my daughter's hair and my hair. Okay. So let's see if I can, while we're waiting on the heating iron to come up. Yep, this is how you cut your hair. Let's see. How's it look? Does it look even? Good. The important thing is to have it the same length. Okay, I think my curling iron might be hot enough. Okay, so there's a sign on this that says this side towards your head. So here we go. And this does all the counting yourself. Get out of my makeup, Sasha. Hey, give me a kiss. Give mommy a kiss. Oops. You like my lipstick, huh? Oh, yes. Like my lipstick, huh? Okay, so there's curl 1. And so I kind of try to put it out of the way from other sections. And I'll do the back first. I really love this little curling iron now because I don't have to count. It does all the counting and it lets me know with the triple beat. Okay, let's see. The only thing that doing with the curling iron is, with the curlers, actually, heat curlers I used to do all the time. And that was a lot easier to do because then you're not dealing with the hair that's already curled. But have to make adjustments. And hopefully all the hair gel I put in it will help. Get out of my makeup, Missy Sasha. You're too young to use makeup. Okay, let's see. Maybe I'm doing this the wrong way. As close to my head as this way. Get out of there. There we go, I think. Two sections there. And don't you go away because you're going to want to see the results of this. Because when an old fat lady gets pretty, it doesn't happen very often. And here's one of those times I think I got my hair caught in it. It's there. Yes, it's a rare occurrence when a fat old lady gets. It's quite the day. And plus, this is a good way to practice coordination. It takes a lot. Whoops, didn't get the end of it. Well, it smells pretty hot now. Don't chew on my hair, my brush. You need to stay away from my makeup. Okay, so now got the back done. Let's see if we can work on this side part now. Let's see, that part's been done. Get out of the way. Think of all the years I did perms, so I wouldn't have to do this. And looking back in history, I think I liked perm look all that much. There we go. Okay, here, where are we? Getting close. We got a few more sections to do. I have to kind of hold it. Whoops, I have to kind of hold this away from my head a little bit to start it. So with the small piece, it works pretty good. Let's see. It looks like it's been in the curling iron. Cool. That went in there good. Nice little curl there. Now let's see. I could do, this looks like the last one. The smaller sections. It works a lot better with the smaller sections. I might have to redo a few of them, but we'll see. Well, that's the best one yet. Let's see how this comes out. Well, let's see how I look. Hey, not bad. Not bad for a 70-year-old fat woman. Yeah, let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. We don't do all doggies. Sometimes we do other things too here at Sun Dancing with Chadwicks. No, she got some of my makeup again. What does she have? What do you think, honey?
Oh, gorgeous.
Well, I will see you next time. We have to discover something here that... Oh, bleach tablets. Oh, my God. Sasha is always finding something. It must have rolled off the washing machine when it was moving.
Yeah.
Well, we better take care of that, so... I'll talk to you later. This is Mary with Sun Dancing with the Chadwicks. Be sure you like and subscribe for more fun stuff.
Some broke new lie. Truth is, I'm lost but fine. Truth is, I'm a mess, just trying to get by. But I still got fight. But I still got bite. It's about to be my time. I'm gonna be that chick. Who I want. Breaking the bed like I'm Crystal. Breaking the mood like an idol. I'm turning it up like a sauna. And I'm gonna be who I wanna. I wanna be that chick.